Welcome to Aloravita, an amazing, beautiful new construction community in North Phoenix, just north of Happy Valley Road. So today we're going to give you a tour of a few different floor plans by the builder, Lennar, so you can get a look and feel for the different floor plans and the variety and style. So today we're in the Wayfarer floor plan. So take a tour. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath layout. One of the things right away you'll notice is wide hallways. I love this. So when you walk in, it feels really spacious. We got a couple of bedrooms down here, and this is a open floor plan. So again, this is the Wayfarer model. When you come in here, you got a nice kitchen that's kind of combined into a separate dining area here, living area here. So if you're cooking and you want to entertain, have friends and family, they can hang out here. You can have TV on the game, be cooking. And I love this is also a split floor plan. So behind you when you walked in, most of the bedrooms are back there. The primary bedroom is over here. Pretty good size and layout. The total square footage for this model is just about 2,200 square feet. Really nice master bath setup. And as we come into the primary, you'll also notice this has very large closet, which we all love. This feels like the size of an actual bedroom. So ladies, if you got a lot of shoes, guys, if you got a lot of clothes, probably a great option for you. But you haven't seen the best part of the Wayfarer floor plan, which is the garage. So if you like cars, trucks, toys, you just want space for all your fun stuff you have, this is the floor plan for you. So check it out. Not only do you get pretty generous size living area, pretty good for the price point, but you gotta see this. This is pretty dang cool. Check this out. This floor plan is one of the few that come with an attached RV garage. So as I'm standing here, this is about the size of a tandem 3-car garage. So right here we could fit 1, 2, 3-car garage very comfortably. We go right into here, RV garage that goes from your front. It will have a rear entrance into your backyard if you would like. This is really cool. So if you're looking for a property where you can have your RV, your boat, all that stuff, toys, dirt bikes, motorcycles, the Wayfarer is a great floor plan for you to consider. We're going to show you a couple more options. And again, these are all by Lennar in the Aloravita community. Now we're in the Aurora floor plan. This is actually my favorite, and it's one of the most unique ones I've seen, and I've seen a lot of homes. It's 2,800 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a game room. This is amazing if you have kids, and I'm going to show you why. So we'll jump right into it. So right when you come in to the right, we have basically the kids' own wing to the house, right? So we have a full bathroom there, bedroom number 1 here. This is the game room. So really cool space for kids. Another bedroom there, and then entrance here and a garage. So what I vision this as being perfect for is maybe some kids that are either middle school, high school, especially if you have like a high school or college kid where they can park their car in their own garage. They could come in and have their own wing. So maybe if you have kids ranging from ages 7 to 10 all the way up to high school or college and they're still living at home, this is the perfect floor plan, especially for the price. As we make our way through the rest of the house, pretty fun open floor plan. Nice big living area, big kitchen as well. Gonna give you plenty of space to entertain, especially if you have friends, family, kids. Again, this is 2,800 square feet. But you're really gonna feel the separation from the kids. So if you wanna have a home and you wanna let the kids have their area so your personal space doesn't get dirty with all the toys and video games and all that stuff, come on this way. So the primary suite is all the way down here. Pretty large, definitely oversized, bigger than most primary suites. You come down here, you've got closet number 1, his or hers, closet number 2, his or hers. But what I really think is efficient, especially for those parents with kids, you have to do laundry, you got to pick up after them, right? You've got all your primary bath, but we flow right into the laundry room here. We can get straight here from your primary suite, and then we can also go back out into the rest of the house. And the last bedroom, 4th bedroom is there. So that was the Aurora floor plan. Again, this is by Lennar at Aloravita. Perfect floor plan if you need a new home, space for the kids, and your kids are a little bit older. This is a really good one to consider. Definitely would recommend checking it out. All right, the last floor plan we're gonna show you today is actually a super fun floor plan, and we're not even in the main house. We're actually in the guest quarters. This is the Evolution floor plan. It's 3,000 square feet with its own separate guest quarters, and this is huge. This is like 2 houses for the price of 1. So we're actually in the main area. So what this is this is a attached guest suite with its own separate private entrance. You can completely close this off, so you could potentially rent it or have a mother-in-law, college kid, family live here. You have your entire own kitchen, access to go outside, and back this way, which by the way, you also have your own garage. You have your own everything, your own primary suite. I mean, this is bigger than most people's apartments they're living in. We haven't even got to the main house. So who would this benefit? Great if you have kids living at home, college kids, maybe you want to have your extended family, have your in-laws or parents live at home, or just extra space for people who are visiting you throughout the year. This would be really fun for your guests and friends and family to stay here. As we come through here, we go to the main house. Of course, all the main features you'd love, like a big laundry room, but this way, the house is set up pretty well, the floor plan, to entertain a large volume of people. And what I mean by that is when you walk in, so if you had people in the detached guest area and a family living here and you were all in this area, it's pretty spacious, right? There's a lot of space to entertain. We've got high ceilings, generous sized kitchen, big dining area. So really like this floor plan, again, for people who either have those families or you want to entertain throughout the year, have friends and family. Heck, if somebody invited me to stay at their house and stay for the weekend and they gave me my own private guest quarters, I'd be pretty happy. Let's look at the rest of the property, right? As you come through here, you're going to have more guest bathrooms, a couple of bedrooms, and then your standard 3-car garage. All right, wrapping it up with the primary suite. Again, pretty big size. It's a little bit smaller than the previous floor plan, the Aurora. However, still plenty of space. Big bathroom as well. So more of the square footage in this house is going to be in the guest suites. You do still get a pretty closet here. This thing's pretty huge. That's one of the things I've noticed with these Lennar floor plans is the closet space is awesome. So that's going to wrap up our tour of 3 very desirable floor plans that Lennar offers. And again, we are in the Aloravita community, North Phoenix, just north of Happy Valley Road. If you are interested in buying a home like this, you want to see any of the Lennar floor plans, get early access to some of the communities and the great discounts that are being offered to buy these new construction homes, just either drop me a comment, give me a call, visit me on my website. All of my information is right here on this video. We would love to help you find your next home, and thanks for tuning in.